Mo.
Ako ta pala travel kaso t-shirt haka. Miss Lau ente, min lau bye bye tinte Miss ka. Helai t-shirt haka. Oh, Miss ka min lau ente. Oh, min lau bye bye te lau wave te. Oh, tian ikut ka shake lah, tian. Oh, ala shake na lau, la shake na lau. Le lam han shake le te, i left hand ka. I left hand ka. Oh, cha. Ikut tan par te, ikut par. Oh, very good. Good girl. Oh, heart to in ka siya. Get ready with your book or paper, pencil, and eraser. All right. Have you done your homework? Homework ka in lau ti em. C le D zia tur ka. Small letter C le D zia tur ka in lau ti em. O sakte no ka dikto o. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Homework in ti chuanin. In homework in ti chuan te short te u screen a. In phone screen a kan hello and sin. Let me see. Oh, in homework te ka. Oh, ka en chiang du. Very good, very good. Ziak na lutuk. Nai deu le ka lo sho lok. Very good, very good. Na lutuk. Yes, very good. Good morning. In homework in ti chuan screen a kan lo sho ru le. C le D zia tur kan ti kha tru small letter C le D zia tur kan ti kha. Oh, very good, very good. Nice. Yes. Very good. Anna lutuk. Thumbs up. Ka ai kan school lu huna nal zo kin kan ziak liang. Oh, in van ziak thiam im. Miss twin oy ani ma. Chuan anu le apa te twin oy ani kha tiru homework chat te win in lo tia. Chuan get ready with your book, your pencil, and eraser. All right. Very nice. Ale ting dong ko na. Head like Christopher tile rati kyang te tite in microphone kain switch off thei chuan min lo switch off sak lok mai microphone. Rati kyang te adang asen bulami ka microphone a screen a screen akan voi ka adike rati kyang te adike thank you. Nochimudin, can you please switch off your audio, your microphone, please? Good boy. Twin van oi lom em. So today voi na chuanin English subject ka kan zir liang. Friday akan eng subject ngain zir ka. Science mi kain zir ka. Anwa min ti em science ka. với na po nuam tiêu in English kan zir liang chuanin với in hi eng ni nge in sha Friday mi yes it's Monday. Okay, don't say Monday. No one should say Monday. Okay, you should say Monday. Monday. Yes, kam hui pun miss hui pun kalau en ula. Today is Monday. Ani le eng ni nge in sha em. What date is today? Eng ni nge in sha em. Ni so ma mi. Ni eng zat nge vo in hi. Anu te khan zot te u. Today is
14.
no, I think it's 13th. Ni so patuman ni ka ting ka siya. Tiro Monday yani. Tiro chuanin voina chan English kan zirang. Okay. Chuanin A B C D ka in lo ziak to tiro homework ka khan. Ani em ka. Chuanin voina chuanin D zwa. What letter comes after letter D? Letter D dua khan ing letter nge ka. Yes. Yes, very good. Letter E. Okay, let me ask you this question. Look at your screen carefully, okay? What letter is this?
A.
A. Yes, very good. In Mutayem, this is letter A. Then, what letter is this?
C.
Very good. You should say C. Okay. And then, what letter is this?
D.
Yes. Very good. And then, what letter is this?
D.
D is for? D is for, enge ka.
Dog.
Yes. D is for dog and doll. Okay. D te katu doll ania tiru. Doll ka mi zau trong chuani no telem kan ti kha ni. Tiru ani le an next kan zir to in khiamem kan en chin. Okay, look at the screen carefully everyone. What letter is this?
E.
Yes, this one is letter E. Okay, everyone. Get ready with your pencil. In pencil ka hum rule. Tutunge hum ka muthayan ya oh. Oh, tutunge hum. Pencil. There is a pencil. Everyone, show me a pencil like this. Show me a pencil. Oh, good, good, good. Very good. So we will write letter, small letter E. Now, tunge ziak rang rang kan ne tiang.
E.
Small letter E. Okay, asau zau kan ten screen na miran modu. Oh, very good, very good. Line na pel turan ni lau. Second le third line na pel turan ni lau. Oh, moi to kinzia tur. Very good, very good. Milau shozel ula. Very good. Văn khiam em. Chuanin abula khan inkut zung pahni khatian indanga ahian I inziak to inkut zung pahni indanga zung pahni dot si akhan inziak liang tuna eng letter ni inziang tuna chuanin letter is this?
Yes.
Yes, this one is letter F. Yes, everyone, please try this one again. Ziak le rula. Nghe sắc sấu răng nghe ziak nal kan nen tiang. Nghe oi oi. Very good, very good. Miss Jiang Che Hian Zia Tur. Oh. Anh Văn Giặc thiểm hôm em thu ôi đều cầm hồn nem mấy. Nhà số về lại ta đi đâu cho lại ula. Rồi nã khan, anh răng to kín. Very good. Anh nal thì em. Anh lệ letter F rồi anh letter nghe khá.
G.
What letter comes after letter F? It's letter G. Okay, everyone say G.
G.
Yes. So you will in G.
G.
Yes, very good. This one is small letter G. In kudzong ni ka F in zia zo akan in da anga kami bulsi akan G, letter G in ziak le ang. Ziak le rule. Helaya balloon koi ka na ziak em o or orange color aka.
Beham, nikia sa beham.
Miss zia dang kain ula uluk dewin. Mutayam. Helay Erben Kim Princess Kanin Asia Kem Princess Herben Kim Khan. Very nice, very nice. Very good, very good. And Vantiam em. Tuna Kanin.
Oh.
Letter engay kan siya masakber ka hansay do.
H. E.
Yes. Everyone say E.
E.
Yes.
E.
Yes, say mo. Everyone say E.
E.
Very good. E is for?
Elephant.
Very good. E is for elephant. E is for eye, isn't it? Very good. And the next letter is
S.
Yes. Everyone say F. Very good. F is for
Fish.
very good. And Ventiam le kon lo zero ni mo ina. Yeah. F zwa engay le ka.
G.
Yes,
G.
don't say G, say G.
G.
Very good. G is for?
Yes.
Very good. Goat, yes. Small letter, goat. Very good. G at nga, in le kabumi kerla po, G at nga in jan kim shim ka. More word alphabet through pictures. Kanina kaniya changlaw po kanin in wrist te ni. Nang mani kanin in on word te mani to in word po in produce te ani. Alphabet the chang kan. Okay. Una kanin EFG ka apatuminin zia ka tiru. Chuanin homework katan E in zia na hnuai kan E in lo zia khat le fikang. F in zia na hnuai kan F in lo zia khat le fikanga. Chuan G in zia na kan letter G ka in lo zia khat le fikang. All right. In check them in homework too. In lo zia le fikang. EFG ka kan chin tiang homework ka homework di ka next class at chuanin kanin zo tanga in ming kanin zo tanga heta medicine kalau chin sia to don ani skula chuanin ti kan chin sia ta tong voina homework ti ho po ka in ming ka chin sia kar chuwang chuanin next time matang kanin in mail chau ni lo in ming kan chin sia to don ani Alright. Okay. Keep your book. In le ka book ha. Han post still le. Card let's le ka book ha. Le ka bookได้รู้in le ka bookได้รู้มิสเจเราเอ็นรู้อันนี้ให้เอง color เนี่ยก็สอดต่างเจ้าองเทียมังเอ็มWhat color is this?
Pink.
Very good. อันนี้ให้ shape เนี่ยก็สอดต่างเจ้าcolor นี่เรา shape เนี่ยshape is this?
Triangle.
Very good. Triangle. Okay. Triangle. It's triangle. Anyway, triangle. Okay. What color is this?
Purple.
Very good. Let's clap our hand 5 times. Okay. Kan beng ang tunang way nga beng bawat. 3, 2, 1. Way nga kan beng ang. Alright. 3. 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kan labeng beng. Kan ba soy vez. Han chungil at everyone is straight. Chungil at rule. Do kan polaw tour. Chungil at rule. Nak, bengak, kan bengak. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Tu nak canin alphabet A to Z. Kan terus. ABC song. Kan ABC lah kan. Very good. Okay, setiap song kan hanya setiap song kan sign min hanya okay. ABC song kan setiap song kan ABC. Yang juga ni mo. Very good. Tu nak kan sayang. Ringo kan sayang. Alright. 3, 2, 1 akan sayang. 3, 2, 1.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
I know my name is Oh, very good. Ani azot tang so. What fruit is this? Eng kainge. Insya
X,
Yes, very good. Grapes. 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 Good. Then what is this?
orange,
Yes, very good. I. Yes, it's our eyes, isn't it? And so, what is this?
nose,
Oh, come on, mommy, show me a nose. Yes, very good. Then, again,
peacock,
very good. Peacock. Yes, very good. Then, Ani, hey, I'm sure I'm there. Oh, what fruit is this? Strawberry, yes, very good. Strawberry kind of I am.
yes, me,
Very good. Tukin nga inhe ka siya. Tukin nga inhe ka siya. Kan bisa, a picture law and ruo. Tukin nga tukin inhe zong. Tukin inhe. Yes. Tukin inhe hanbat pa siya. X, very good. Ani le, tu na mei chia zui min chang ang mei chia zui. What is this? Very good. Isang again,
Chocolate.
ท่านยามhow to win in Changang. Only boys will answer my question. What is this, boys?
Balloon.
How many balloons are there? That's 5 balloons. Okay, do not say balloon. It's balloons. Okay, balloon. Yes. Yeah. And do you know what fruit is this?
Orange.
Yes. Orange. Last one. What is this? In hard Miss Bunok ko kangas. Zai to lao tu. Miss Zai lâu Zai lang. A for Ngoài học dụ khá cắn xoay riêng cho bên two pictures ha at ngoài dụ dọc khá chân dụ small letter kan thì dọc vàng in sila A for ant.
A for
E for boy.
E for boy. E for boy.
For car.
E for car.
Mình lâu sạc mấy hoa trong phát giác là đâu rồi thì thế rồi tiếp cho tôi ra để nó học việc cái em lên và cái phrase con mình lâu sạc mấy phát giác đâu đấy wa microphone udin di nghe mình chat viral thì Gracie anh thấy ini channel cái microphone kami lao switch off saklok may in screen cover kat met ula dyan call end na bulkan may avail ang ka Miss Soizwa in law answers lang page number 3 ka en ula in English textbook page number 3 ka en ula so anin A for katya nga ant B for katya nga boy in law chise lang boy kaya tatagyan ka mo kanya Oleh tu nak terang. A for B for
Book.
C for
Zebra.
car. D for doll. E for eye. F for fan. G for yes. H for very good. I for spot. A for eat. A for L for
Lion.
I my dog so ka en ru an noi leaf ka ni ka M for mango. N for
Yes.
O for P for Q for Quilt.
Rose.
S for
She.
T for
G.
U for
Umbrella.
for
Violet.
W for
Violin. Butter.
X for
Dejo el guión.
Y for yacht. Z for
X-ray.
zip. Yes, very good. Do na A, B, C. Kan sayang. Oh, Z, then kan sayang. Oh, min en vek rule. Everyone, please hold your arms. In kut han kuang kuat dulu le. In kut kuang kuat rule. Tungi kut kuang kuat. Tungi kut kuang kuat. Tungi kuang kuat lau kha kha lai mi kha. Tungi kuang kuat lau kha. Kap mu ring mai ya. Ama chu mai chia anya. Oh, kutan kuang kuat chap. Do na A, B, C, D kan sayang. Miss sai zai lau sai zai lang. Oh. A, B,
B.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
X.
P, Q, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh, A, B, C, D, and Q. Small letter kan sumya kani. Ngayon homework ka zotang. So, what letter is this?
E.
Very good. What letter is this?
F.
Yes. Very good. What letter is this?
G.
Yes. E, F, G. Kakadlaw siya kleve kang. Tuna kan in le kabuhay in siya katiru. E, F, G in siya ka admaya kan in siya kat kave kang. Oh. So anin means next na sa ka check nga. So an homework ha in hing hata kalaw check ya todo na ni. Oh. So an in tiam may for you. Put your right hand on your shoulder, everyone. In kut ding lam ka in dara dale rule. So anin reward ka pile don sa niloman. Oh. Lom Misty that nilaw tiya. Nang mani kuwat ka inin pedon na nito. Oh. Since you were a good boy and a good girl. Okay. Very, very good. Rule. Avaling ang caring to kiti ko nang mani kamera ni. Oh, very very good.
Very good.
Very good. Oh, tikanin. That's all for today. We're not going to kan ya. So anin alphabet ka. A, B, C, D, small letter ka kan tiam vek ka true. Kanin E, F, G ka inlaw homework le nga ina chatto kin inlaw tilyang. Oh, kan ano le apa ko inlaw o nga to inlaw o nga inlaw himanga inlaw dam vek don ya. Oh, see you all in the next class. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Và cái đó còn ở vị trí ở. Ở phía đâu đó, sẽ